This gonna be like 8. We got jackets on now. No, you can't. You cannot see it. But we are Christmas shopping, window shopping. But Eric, we didn't get no basket because we supposed to be window shopping, and he got 2 toys in his hand already. He probably gonna have more in his hand before we leave.
Yeah.
We in the boys section. Lyric is not in the little toddler section anymore. He's in the big boy section, and I'm so sad about it. Super sad. I know, but he was just born like yesterday. But they don't have this size. They only got slim, and Lyric got a little butt on them. He can't fit slim. But look at these, y'all. Look at this. It's cute. These little, it's a Roblox one.
Jayzie is 16 now.
Oh, wow. Is he?
Yeah.
Jesus, he's only 6.
16 jeans, 8 shoes.
Wow.
So damn, I gotta pay men prices now.
Right. Right. Jesus Christ.
What they're getting Air Max. I'm like, you know how much them gonna be.
Oh, look. Is this a mask that comes with it? Oh, God. Look at the times have changed. They have little masks connected. Well, that's genius. Look at this. This one got the little dinosaur. This is like a little... Was that a beaver or a bear? Can't tell. That's cool. That's cute.
Times have different.
Right.
Hey, y'all.
Somehow we ended up at the mall. Are you doing more window shopping or are you shopping?
It depends.
We gonna shop, y'all. Don't hit. Stop for our breakfast, lunch. We ain't ate all day. They only got 2 places in our mall, Cane's and Subway. And then our other food court is...
Geared to us.
Yeah, not for us at all. I ain't got no Hirachis. I thought those was really popular shoes. Alright, y'all, there go your homegirl Jayda. She about to go in the store because she about to cook. Me. Oh my God. Who raised her?
I was looking for what you're talking about.
I swear she not slow, yo. She not. But yeah, she about to cook for us tonight. What you cook, girl?
That was her idea. You tell them that was your idea.
I know it was my idea. Let you cook. Let you cook. Because she don't ever want to eat nothing I cook, so she might as well cook, right? So yeah, she about to go in here and get her some food.
We're at Baker's for
Bakers.
Don't be no business.
Girl. Can't take her nowhere. Yep, I got you. I got you. While you stop. Ready? Don't forget toilet paper. They're down her favorite aisle. She wants to be a nail tech, y'all. She want to be a nail tech. Period. We got this little guy from daycare. Say hi, Pooh. Lyric. You want to say hi? Say hi. No? You need a new bonnet? Yeah. We're at my favorite store, Dollar Tree. Come on. Hey. Look at this one.
Mom, when you gonna get stuff for our socks?
We don't even got none up. They got it in here. Got none up.
Oh, we need them name tags. Right here.
They don't match.
Oh my God.
Everything needs to match.
No, it doesn't. Y'all, she's doing too much.
I don't. I just like everything to match. Like this matches the Christmas tree and the decor in my living room. She's a hater. Always has been. Ever since she was born.
I know what I'm getting y'all for y'all stockings.
We don't even got no stocking.
Well, we gotta put one. Hey guys, so it's your favorite girl Jayda back boy on another video. Y'all see that right there? Lyric scratched me, and right there, he scratched me 2 times. Abusive. But y'all, I'm gonna be making some food. I'm gonna be cooking. I don't know how to cook. Anyway, we're gonna be making some nachos. I don't know why this is too low. But y'all, this is all the stuff we got. Just a pan. Ain't nothing in there. But I'm gonna show y'all what we got. Gonna put that over there. If you hear lyric, don't mind it. I need to figure out somewhere else to put y'all. Can I put y'all here? Yeah. There. There you go. Then you can see. Don't mind what I got on, because yeah. So we got our cheese. We got some this. After that, we got some chips. And then immediately, oh yeah, there is this. We are using ground turkey.
You gotta get huggy or something.
Yeah. So don't mind.
$50 Dollar Tree.
No, I don't mind them. So we're gonna cut that. And we're gonna. Oh, that's disgusting. Trying to open. Yeah.
That was an enjoyable night.
So this is the meat. We're gonna just put the meat. Did I already tell y'all what I'm making? I'm making nachos. So then we put it in there. It's already broke all the way.
Take it up.
So here. Y'all, don't mind.
Alright, how about you, sucker?
Okay, y'all, lyric was doing too much. But y'all, look the paper. So then we're gonna chop the meat. See y'all, I told y'all I know how to do because I left that in there. But then we're just gonna chop the meat and let it get brown. Let it cook. Then you want to season your food.
It's on the side of the couch.
Mom, do I season it now? Okay.
No, they didn't go to the first 2 places with us. Me and Eric went earlier when we left the hotel. Yeah, I'm about to post the video of everything we did in a minute.
So y'all, I'm gonna let this meat get brown and I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to record when I was pouring the cheese in and other stuff, but it's done. So now let me show y'all Lyrics over here eating my stuff. I told him not to eat it. Not cute. So we have the burritos, and then my masterpiece. I'll see. It's just nachos. Nothing special. So here, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Whoa. Bye.